Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Drwvgjk Smart Watch for men or women, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because smartwatch with text and call. iOS Android smartwatches for men/women is equipped with a clear speaker. Pedometer watch can directly use women's or men's watch to answer, make calls, read messages, play music, store contacts. You can get notifications of calls, SMS and SNS messages, WhatsApp, text, Facebook, and more app. Fitness tracker watch for men/women can support most Android and iOS phone, Android 5.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above. Such as compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Huawei and more brands. Smartwatch with heart rate monitor and sleep tracker. Smartwatches for men/women adopted advanced optical sensors, allowing pedometer watch to collect health data more accurately. iOS Android smartwatch provides health monitoring features such as heart rate, blood oxygen, SP02, and sleep monitoring, deep, light sleep, helping you better understand your health and making a reasonable adjustment to your lifestyle. Fitness watches for men/women and 112 sport mode. Digital watch men/women supports 112 plus sports modes such as walking, running, cycling, and soccer, and you can visually read sports data, steps, distance, calories and others activities, on the sports watch. Step Tracker Watch for women/men is IP68 waterproof, you can wear it during outdoor activities, rainy day, washing hand. Note, this waterproof watch can obtain GPS positioning through your mobile phone and clearly upload your movement path. 2 watch straps, 2 wearing styles. Smartwatches for women/men adopts a larger screen design, and come with 2 watch bands of different colors. Receive, dial, and message notifications can be displayed directly on screen. Smartwatch for Android phones contains many dials readily available to choose from along. You can also DIY watch faces with your own photos. Activity trackers and smartwatches with multi-function. This step counter watch has many practical features, such as alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, camera control, find your phone, music control, weather forecast, calendar, brightness adjustment, breath training, etc. iOS Android smartwatch for men/women equipped with large capacity battery. The activity trackers only takes 2 hours to provide 7 to 15 days of usage and approximately 30 days of standby time. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.